What's up everybody, Frank here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Exodus onto your Kodi 17.6. Kodi is back. The best thing to watch TV shows and movies. I'm going to show you how to get it onto your Fire Stick, onto Kodi. Very easy steps. Make sure you follow along, pay attention. It's going to show you how to get free TV shows, free movies. Make sure you like the video. It helps out the page, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get started from the beginning. The first thing you want to do is scroll all the way to the right from the home screen to the settings. You want to click on settings, and then you want to scroll down. You want to scroll over to the right to device. Click on device. Next you want to click on developer options. Next thing you want to do is turn on ADB debugging. Also you want to turn on apps from unknown sources. If you have an Amazon, and click on turn on. If you have an Amazon Fire TV, it'll have another selection. You want to turn that on as well. And once you do that, hit back on your remote or hit the home button. Then we're going to come over to the search icon on the left hand side of your screen. What you can do with your Amazon remote is click on the voice button, downloader, and it's going to automatically bring you to the downloader app. You can also type it in as well. It's just spelled just like you see it on the screen, the orange application. So we're going to click on downloader. Next we want to do is click on download. Like I said at the beginning, you have to have a credit card or debit card linked to your Amazon account, or it won't let you install some of these applications. So make sure you do that first. It won't charge you anything. Just have it linked to your account. So once it finishes downloading, you want to click on open. And then you want to click on OK. Next, we're going to click on the URL. And then we're going to type in the URL for Kodi. Now once you type it in, you want to click on go. It's going to download. It's about 87 megabytes. Now once you get to this screen, you want to click on install. So at this point, you're installing Kodi 17.6 onto your Amazon Fire Stick. Once that finishes, you want to click on open. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is come over here to the top left and click on this settings screw. Next thing you want to do is come over to the right, click on system settings. Come down to your left hand side and click on add-ons, and then come to show notifications, turn it on. Also turn on unknown sources. It's going to prompt you with a warning. Click yes. Both of these should be white on the right hand side, and it should also say install updates automatically. Once you do that, hit back, come down to file manager, where we're going to type in the URL for Exodus. Click on add source, and then click on none. So right now we're going to type in the URL. Make sure you type it in correctly or it will not work. Exodus is back. Once you type that, pause the video if you need to, click OK. You can give it a name, .exodus is cool. Click OK again. Pause the screen if you need to. Click OK. Then come over to the left. Check just to check and see if we did it right. All right, we're going to double click on Exodus. We should get this pop up right here. If you don't, that means you typed it incorrectly. Go back and use the 3 dashes on your remote and click on Exodus and edit the URL. All right, once we do that, we're going to hit back again. Come down to Addons on the left on the main screen. Click on Addons. Next, you want to come over to the top left-hand side of your screen. Click on the installation box. Also, after that, you want to come to install from zip file. Click on that. Then you're going to click on Exodus or whatever you named it. If you didn't put a period in front, it's going to be in alphabetical order. So let's go ahead and click on whatever we named it, .exodus. Then we're going to click on begin here. Begin here. And then we're going to click on plugin program Indigo. This is for the Exodus add-on, which works perfectly great. It's been working great for a while. It took a break, but now it's back. So I'm showing you how to install it. So just wait a few minutes. If you haven't already, scroll down on the screen and check out the VPN. I'll give you more details in a second. Once we get this pop up, you want to hit back. All right, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and come to the add-ons selection. And you want to click on Indigo. You will only have this add-on if you had a fresh start, Indigo. Then you want to come down right here and click on Add-on Installer. Add-on Installer. Next, you want to come down and click on the first choice, Get Browser. To use this feature, you must download an add-on Get Browser. Would you like to? Yes. Now it's going to start loading everything that you need. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video. Subscribe as well if you haven't already. We'll be bringing you content constantly. So we're going to click on Get Browser again for a second time because it's been installed. It's going to give us this notification. Welcome to blah, blah, blah. You don't have to read all that. Then what we want to do is come over to the top and click on Search by GitHub Username. Then you want to click on New Search. Sorry, it's a lot of different steps. So we're going to type in Kodi Bay. Just like that, very simple. Kodi's our Bay, or Kodi Bay. And click OK. All right, once we do that, we're going to scroll down. Scroll down till we see, let me see how far down it is, right here. You'll see it on the screen. Plugin Video Exodus 5.0 zip. If the version changes, it's perfectly fine. As long as the steps are the same, it'll work. Click on that. Plugin, yes, install. Now it's gonna start with a lot of pop-ups, a lot of different things. Like I said, if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, it'll help the video out, get out there. This is gonna give you all the TV shows and movies that you want to watch. Now when you get this pop-up right here, you want to click on Restart. Once it allows you. You want to click on Restart. It's already adding up stuff, but I'm going to click on Restart. When I open it back, it's going to do it as well. So you're just going to open Kodi once, right back up. Now, just like a computer, when you download new things, you want to fresh start it, restart it. You know, anytime you update, you want to uninstall, restart the computer, things of that nature. Now, if I come over to add-ons and click on add-ons, and then come to this page, yours should have Exodus right there, but I have so many add-ons that it's not. So you should see Exodus right next to Indigo. But right here, it's installed. I'm gonna open Exodus up. Process complete. We're good to go. Next thing you want to do, you see TV shows and movies. These are our most important utilities. But first, I'm gonna show you how to make it faster, how to make it work to your liking. So let's come down to Tools first. And then let's go up top to General. This is going to make it work faster and get rid of some of those long wait times. So now, as you can see right here, Provider's Timeout. Now, if you want to watch the show quickly, change it to 10, 15, 20 max. There's no time for you to be waiting on it to load all the providers. Some of the providers time out. They're not even working. So I'm going to change mine to 10. All right, just for y'all to see how this works out. Now I'm going to go down to Playback. I always like it for me when I'm watching at home to put this on autoplay to play automatically. I'm not going to do it for me. But if you're playing, like once you click on the show, that's all you have to do. You can also change it to the background. I'm going to leave mine on director because I don't want to play the show. You know, YouTube gets angry at that. And I'm going to put it in the background so it doesn't block my whole screen. And then I'm going to come to OK to save the changes. All right. Once we do that, now let's go watch a TV show or movie. So first things first, TV shows. We love our seasons. We love watching TV shows. I'm trying to find a new TV show to watch. Please leave in the comments a show for me to watch. I've watched everything, so help me out. So let's go ahead and go to most popular. Of course, 13 Reasons Why is out. Westworld is banging. Game of Thrones. Favorite show all time. So click on Game of Thrones. Go to the season you want to watch. And then go to the episode you want to watch. And it's going to load up. As you can see, when I changed those settings, it moved it to the top. It's not in my way. You know, it's only going to do this for about 10 seconds. It's going to pick the best ones. It's going to go. Now, if you had this on autoplay, once it gets the best ones, it's going to automatically play in those 10 seconds. Mine is going to bring me to this screen, the directory, because I didn't want it to autoplay. So I'm just gonna, after you get to this screen, if you didn't put on autoplay, just click on the first provider, and it's going to play. Or the second or third. You got a lot of 720 choices. Now, if one doesn't work, I always say try the next one. But you got so many choices. I know you're going to love it. So that's all it takes to watch a TV show on Exodus. Exodus laid out is very good. It's one of the best. Same thing for any TV show. But I want to show you another way to find TV shows. Now, let's go to search. New search. Breaking Bad. Now, if it's not on the top list, just type it in. It should take you to any show that has Breaking Bad in the name. Breaking Bad, of course, the most popular at the top. Go to the season. If you haven't watched this show, you're missing out. It has a spinoff as well. I can't remember the name. Better Call Saul. Check those out. So, as you can see, it's in the back. It's loading. It's so smooth. Nothing's going slow. Everything's going pretty fast. As long as you get some 720, you'll get good resolution. Even if you got a 4K TV, whatever TV you got, nice resolution. So like this, it's always going to go to about 10 seconds. Sometimes it goes longer. Like if you got it on 60 seconds, it's going to go for as long as it needs to. And then you just choose the first one, the first provider, second provider. Just choose it. It's going to play. And then you'll be good to go for the next hour, 45 minutes. So now let's go to movies. Same thing. Same thing. So you always want to change those tools at the beginning so your experience would be nice and quick and fun. Nobody wants to waste time doing, sitting there, buffering. Exodus works really good. If you know your internet is not that great, don't pick a high resolution show. If your internet is not over 30 megabytes, you shouldn't be picking, high resolution. It's going to buffer. Make sure you get good internet. So, all right, anyways. Let's go to movies. Same thing. What we like. Things in theaters, right? In theaters. That's what everybody like. Everybody wants to watch theaters. We got our sound systems and everything. Make our home sound great. So everything that's out in theaters is going to show up here. Doesn't mean it's going to play. If it's too new, it's not going to play. Let's just be real. We got Ocean's 8. I'm guessing this movie's going to be great. I don't even know if it came out yet. But if you haven't watched this already, great movie. Game Night came out about 4 months ago. Good resolution, everything. As you can see at the top. Oops, sorry. Yeah, whatever. It's going to start loading up all the providers right here. Everything says 0 right now, which is awesome. But there it is. There's a kick. Great movie. I didn't think it was going to be good, but I know that actor, that guy. I forget his name. It's a really, really good movie. So check it out. Good resolution, 1080s, 720s. It's going to play. Just click on it and be ready to watch it. Now, if you want to look for a movie, same thing. Just go to search at the bottom. You can click on box office as well. It's going to take you Titanic, Avatar, things of that nature, things that make the most money. Black Panther, maybe, yeah. All those good movies that are, hits. Damn, Avengers up there, that's quick. Woo, amazing. I still haven't seen it. Crazy. Anyways, that's Exodus. Easy install, easy to get back on your whatever. If you just want TV shows and movies, Exodus is it. That's all you need. Very simple, easy installation. So if you haven't already, make sure you like the video. I need likes. Help me out. Get me up there. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. share with your friends who are still using cable and wasting their money. We don't like anybody wasting money. Let them know there's easy ways to watch TV shows and movies and things of that nature. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated with the updates of Kodi, updates of anything that are out. Also check out the VPNs in the description. Ask me any questions and let me know your favorite TV show. All right, thank y'all and have a blessed day.